These are the lashes that I put on yesterday, and as you can see, they are not sticky in the slightest. I'll try to stick them to my eye. They don't stick at all. A lot of you seem to have an issue with sticky lashes. With it being a different kind of glue that's used for underlash systems, there's always a chance of sticky residue. However, I'm going to go through a few of the Lash Ribbons products and show you how to achieve non-sticky lashes. This is the Ultimate Bond, and this is my absolute go. It's the strongest underlash bond that they have, and it lasts for between 1 to 2 weeks. It does leave a sticky residue. However, if you use this product in conjunction with it, you'll get the best result. This is the Sealum, and it takes away all the sticky residue. It also provides a waterproof barrier, therefore increasing the longevity of your lashes. So if you want lashes that are going to last, this is the perfect combination. However, Lash Ribbons have now brought out a new product. This little beauty is the Bond and Seal in one. It's cheaper than buying them separately, and it's compact. Now for the bond that I'm currently wearing. This is the Clear Lash Bond, and it's a little bit different to the Ultimate Lash Bond. This I find is great for 7 to 10 day work. It doesn't last quite as long as the Ultimate Bond, however it is better for sensitive eyes. And the great thing about this one I find is that it does not leave a tacky residue whatsoever, so there's no need for seal at all with this product. Also, what I will say is, when you're applying your Sealum, if you're using the Ultimate Bond, a lot of people just put it underneath the lash. What's going to happen is the top of the lash is going to remain tacky, and when you're asleep, it's going to stick to your eyelid. So ensure that you're putting this over the top of the eyelashes as well. That way, everything's sealed, everything's waterproof, and you've got no tackiness at all.